Let's talk about Aura versus myFICO versus IdentityForce. And obviously, we're speaking about identity theft protection. So here's an overview I want you to really pay attention to. The first player I want to review into this conversation is Aura. And so when you think about Aura, I want you to think about simplicity. I want you to think about efficiency. But most importantly, I want you to think about an all-in-one service. Okay. And of course, we are speaking about identity theft protection. So basically, Aura is should be your go-to solution, your all-in-one solution when it comes to identity theft protection. And what we love about Aura is that it has no affiliation with any of the credit bureaus, and it really provides a comprehensive set of protection features. So you have credit, you have identity, and you have finances. So by finances, I'm talking about loans, credit cards. I'm talking about 401k. You have money market accounts. You have CDs, certificate of deposits, all kinds of protection on the financial aspect of things. Okay, and of course, Aura will also provide you with the traditional features such as social security number monitoring. You have passport monitoring, driver's license, name, address, account logins and passwords, home title, and more. So, and the cool thing is that Aura is constantly monitoring the internet, including the dark web, for potential signs of fraud. So that's really cool in terms of protecting you and your family across the board. And Aura will also look into public records. So again, the point I'm trying to make here is that you have protection from A to Z. Of course, you have 3 bureau credit monitoring. You have one of the industry's the fastest fraud alerts. So if something were to happen to you, Aura will let you know ASAP. Okay, that's really cool. And you have Experian Credit Lock to instantly lock and unlock your credit files. So that's really good. And Aura actually has, when it comes to identity theft insurance, Aura has one of the highest in the industry. So whereas all the industry players are giving you 1 million, Aura Aura, the company, is giving you $5 million. That's really good in terms of identity theft insurance for families, of course. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. I want to talk about cost. And when we talk about cost, I want you to look on the screen. And what we love about Aura when it comes to cost is simplicity. We love the fact that you have simplicity coupled with affordability. Just look at the cost. Family, they're charging you $24 per month. For a couple, you are having $22 per month, and for an individual, you have one half the family plan. So that's $12 per month. Of course, when we talk about the family plan, that's 5 adults, and those 5 adults don't have to be living under the same roof. So geography doesn't play a role here. You just have to name them in the plan, and you have an unlimited number of kids. Again, I want to insist that we don't have a geo restriction here. So you can have a family members living in New York and others living in Florida and others in Chicago and so on and so forth. So that's really good. So that's what we love Aura for. We love the transparency, but we also love the affordability. And with the thing is with Aura, all the plans that I just gave you, all the three plans offer 3 bureau credit monitoring, one-click credit lock, you have financial account monitoring, and more. It really depends. Now, where Aura really adds value is how fast it will notify you if there is a fraud on your account. So their fraud alerts are really fast, and I mean it doesn't happen instantaneously though. It can happen within 1 or 2 hours after the fraud act occurred. But that's really good anyway. I mean, you do not want them to call you or ASAP. No, they need to investigate to make sure that it is fraud or not before they contact you. So within that hour, the buffer that they have, they will do the research and make sure that fraud indeed has occurred. So before they contact you, you better make sure that they've done the research. So long story short, when we think about Aura, if you have any questions, it's always better to call them at 844-918-0658. Again, the number here is 844-918-0658. 888 for all questions you may have. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Aura versus myFICO versus IdentityForce FICO now. So what we love about myFICO is really the fact that you have an all-in-one solution. You have a service that really sort of canvasses all three credit reporting agencies, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, to really give you the best of the best. So you have signs of fraud. You have signs of fraud. The thing is that myFICO doesn't do anything above or beyond, if you will, the financial realm. So if somebody were to use your passport, somebody were to use your driver's license, somebody were to use your social, you're not going to get that through myFICO unless the results appear in TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax. That's really a strong limitation for myFICO, because other players such as Aura or IdentityForce, I'll talk about IdentityForce later on, they actually they are giving you this sort of A to Z sort of cover. But myFICO doesn't have that. Hey, listen, but it's still good anyway. What we love about myFICO is the affordability also, but also the fact that here is a player that's associated with myFICO, and you know that the FICO score is the best in the industry right now, the best in terms of the most popular. And so you have a 3 bureau credit monitoring with myFICO. That's really good. So you are able to compare and contrast your FICO scores across the board, and you can also compare and contrast your credit reports, and you can do so side by side. So you can see exactly where you are falling and where you are rising. And so there is a strong credit score simulator tool within myFICO, and this allows you to do all kinds of work. You are able to, they have a strong mobile app that allows you to really track your mobile score on the go. So you are able to see exactly what's happening, and in terms of progress, if you are making progress or not. So you can make decisions on the go. But when you think about myFICO, though, do not really count on a free trial. There is no free trial. They do have a free tier, but it's not a free trial. So you're gonna have to pay for stuff at some point, because the free account is really limited though. Speaking about free, I want you to look right now on the screen. So here is a pricing tier, the pricing tier for myFICO. So you have the free plan. That's what I was just talking to you about a little earlier. So the free plan has only 1 bureau Equifax coverage. So credit reports, score, and credit monitoring, but everything else, nothing. So scores for mortgages, auto loans, and more, nothing. 1 million identity theft insurance, nothing. 24/7 identity restoration, nothing. And identity monitoring, nothing. When you start paying for stuff, that's when you really see the beauty of myFICO. I want you to switch right now to the screenshot, the one in the middle. So the advanced plan. The advanced plan, as you can see, has everything. It has everything. So you have updates that are sent to you every 3 months, every quarter, not every month. But you have everything from for FICO scores all the way to identity monitoring. So the things you didn't have with the free plan, you're having them with the advanced plan. And so what's the difference between the advanced and the premier plan? It's just the frequency of the updates. So the premier plan, you have updates, they're available every month. But for the advanced plan, updates are available every quarter. So if you want updates available real fast or more often, you have to pay $10 more, because that's the delta between the advanced and the premier. The advanced is charging you $29.95. The delta is charging you the premier is charging you the $39.99. So the difference here is $10. Okay, but again, you have to ask yourself, how important is that for you? Because there is a constellation of features that come with each plan. Okay, and if you want to protect your family, if you want to have like comprehensive protection for you and your family, it's just better to go with myFICO to have peace of mind, not only now but also down the road. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you today's topic we are having a conversation about Aura versus myFICO versus IdentityForce. Let me talk to you quickly about IdentityForce. So, IdentityForce is kind of owned by TransUnion. So, if you are sort of interested in your TransUnion credit report, or you loved everything that revolves around TransUnion credit score, IdentityForce is one of the best tools around to kind of help you out because you are able to monitor your credit across the board. I mean, across multiple platforms. That's really cool. And we are talking about not only your credit score data, but also your financial information, kind of similar to what Aura does. So, you have bank and credit monitoring, you have credit similarity tools. So, credit similarity tools, you can simulate your credit. You have public records monitoring. So, and you have digital security tools for personal computers. So that's really important. And now, the reason why we love digital security tools for PCs, that's for the entire family. So if you were to really protect your entire family through IdentityForce, this tool will be really, really helpful to you. So let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of IdentityForce. The pros first. You have a tool that's directly connected to a major credit reporting agency, in this case, TransUnion. You have white glove fraud resolution support that's available at all tier levels. And you have a VPN and credit score simulation tools that are included in plans. And what about some of the limitations of IdentityForce? Well, you have a higher price points than other services, especially if you want 3 bureau credit monitoring. And fraud insurance coverage amounts varies depending on the membership tier. And there is no money back guarantee. So something to really think about. So it's one of those things where if you're looking for a money back guarantee for your service or for your plan, you're not having that. But the cool thing about IdentityForce is that you get access to your credit score based on the Vantage Score 3.0 model, as well as the information on your TransUnion credit report. So that's really good. And that's what I was telling you a little earlier. If all you care about is your TransUnion credit report, you will love IdentityForce. And you also receive notifications when your credit score changes and when there are suspicious changes to your account, or even signs of compromised data. Let's talk about costs here. So when we talk about IdentityForce, what kind of cost should you be thinking about? Well, you can see on the screen here that IdentityForce has two planes. They have individual planes and the family planes, and within each plane, they have ultra secure and ultra secure plus credit. Now, plus credit just means that you are actually adding an extra layer of monitoring. In this case, your credit. So IdentityForce will actually look at your credit, look at patterns that can really affect your credit. So that's really cool. And you have the ability to always pay annually or monthly. So if you actually pay annually, you are able to save like 5 to 12%, and so that's really good. And when we talk about the Ultra Secure Plus, we're talking about all kinds of protection. So you are speaking about a personalized action plan, personalized identity safety score. So that's really good. 24/7 dark web monitoring. You have risk scores for each dark web hit. So what happens here is that the service will really protect you across the board. So that's really cool in terms of normalizing your life again. Okay, so it's one of those things where you have to see what really works for you. It's what we actually advise our clients to do is to contact IdentityForce before starting anything. Okay, so if you have a family and you care about your family's identity, and I mean, of course, you should care, and you want to protect that identity, then you want to contact IdentityForce, have a conversation with a sales rep and explain everything that you need, okay? So you gotta ask yourself, do you need 3 credit bureau monitoring or you don't need it? I mean, depending upon your choice, you're gonna have to pay more or less. So that's really what it is. So what is our decision here? So what is our choice in terms of Aura versus myFICO versus IdentityForce? The thing is that when we analyze Aura versus myFICO rather, and IdentityForce, we have to think about 3 bureau credit monitoring. Even though some like IdentityForce, for instance, gives you the option to monitor only your TransUnion, it's always a better idea to have 3 bureau credit monitoring, so you have the only way to know what's happening to your accounts across the board, because 3 bureau credit monitoring offers one of the only ways to receive alerts quickly about the many possible dangers impacting your credit score and reports, from missed payments and incorrect information to fraudulent accounts, loans, and lines of credit that scammers have opened in your name. And that's really something to really pay attention to, especially if they open subprime accounts, right? Because the last thing you want is to actually have to pay interest on a 30% $1 million loan, right? So this is really an important element. So should you go with Aura, myFICO, or IdentityForce in terms of 3 bureau credit monitoring? Well, hell yeah, definitely yeah. Now there are other cases where you might say, you know what, I'm comfortable with one credit monitoring, and in this case, I'm just comfortable with TransUnion, and but this doesn't really offer you the whole 9 yards, so to speak, and you are going to regret it in the future. So if you're interested, you want to actually choose the one that has a 3 credit bureau monitoring. One thing I want to say is that the cost that you should really expect should revolve around $8 all the way to $35, and that cost and that's per month. Okay, and that cost really takes into account fraud alerts, takes into account pre-screening, takes into account investigation, takes into account contacting credit repair agencies to think about what's best for you. So here is a winner here. Aura versus myFICO versus IdentityForce. Our winner here is Aura. We think Aura is more complete, is more comprehensive, has a constellation of products and services that can really help you out. And if you were to go with myFICO, you are going to limit yourself only to financial industry sort of processes. And if you were to go with IdentityForce, you might actually not have 3 credit bureau. So three credit bureau monitoring. So you will be really just focusing on Aura right now. Thank you so much for your attention. Really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I did a quick compare and contrast between Aura, myFICO, and IdentityForce. So I gave you the overview, the decision, the winner, and now the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.